Hey everybody, my name is James K. Smith. I'll be the instructor for the practical guide to Docker, Docker Swarm, and Jenkins. A little information about myself. So I have worked in IT and software development for the last 6 years. I've got to see a lot of different development tools. I've got to work with a lot of different languages, and I'm going to explain how Docker has really helped my life out on a day-to-day basis, getting my work out as quickly as possible. This course is really designed for developers, DevOps, and operations teams that really want to learn about containers and how containers can really help the whole life cycle of an application. So the main goals are going to be to build and manage an enterprise-worthy Docker cluster behemoth. So something that you can deploy pretty much any application to. You'll be able to scale it, whether you need to deploy it for 5 people in a room, or your software is going to be used by hundreds of thousands of people across the country. We're going to make sure that your application is going to be up, running. You'll have alerting and monitoring just in case anything ever does go wrong. We're also going to learn how to create continuous deployment pipelines with Jenkins. So as soon as you push code to a repository, it'll automatically run any kind of unit testing, check your code against SonarQube. It'll also automatically package it and deploy it to your development environment. You can, with a push of a button, promote it from development to staging and then production to make sure your code will get out and get to the people that need it as fast as possible. So if any of this interests you, buy the course, check it out, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.